And as you guys did see, it did turn off. Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ryobi One Plus 120 watt power inverter. This is the dual power, so you can basically power anything with the battery or with the car. AT or car adapter. It says 2 ways to power. Guys, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Macbook to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. RYi120A, so 120A. We got used to charge phone, a tablet, computer, a light, inflator, some sort of compressor inflator, smaller, and maybe an electric 2 USB, 8 outlets, 120 volt outlet, 3-year warranty. Port here for the car, so if you guys go camping or anything, you guys could connect this to the cigarette lighter. Obviously you can, power up a fan or a light or whatever, just a TV, whatever you have, a PlayStation. And yeah, this does connect to right here to the back. It says Ryobi, says dual power, on and off, reset. 2 USBs, 2.4 amps, 5 volts DC. It says neutral floating, 120 volts AC, 1 amp, 120 watts. It says RYi120AVNM. It says USB. You got the serial number there at the bottom. The inverter adapter. So this is the one that goes into the battery. Alright, so we got a 4 amp hour battery for charge. There we go. I just stick it in like so. And then just put this in the back, plug it in the back. All right, so this is alive. So you do have to hold it. It didn't say that there, but you do have to hold it so you can turn this on. So what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be charging my phone first. See if this is actually a fast charger. That's what I wanna know. So we're gonna connect this here with the 2.4 amp. And then we're gonna connect this to the phone. 46 minutes. So yeah, it's not really a fast charger, but it is a charger. It will charge your devices. What I wanted is because this is for the work truck, I can keep this in the truck, and maybe if I need to power something up. All right, guys, we got a fan here. We're gonna apologize for the sound of the fan or the wind, but this is the fan I'm gonna be powering. All right, so we got this connected. Like I said, full bars. All right, so we're gonna connect it right here. Alright, so it's on. I'm gonna face it this way, like so. So we got the power adapter there, and then we're gonna power this. Alright. So I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I am hearing like a weird noise, like an inverter noise. It's not gonna kill the fan or anything, but it's not a pure sine wave inverter. So just something I want to clear up for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take the time. All right, so it's about 3 o'clock. It's gonna be on low, by the way. It's 3:59. 3:59. We're getting like a yellowish light on the. I don't know if you guys can see the color difference, but we are getting a yellowish light on this inverter, and we're gonna be hitting this. It looks like we got 1 bar left. All right, so yeah, I'm not gonna keep it longer, but it'll give you about, I would say about an hour. It's not really the most efficient, but it will. And as you guys did see, it did turn off. So it does have like some sort of safety precaution on this thing. Yep, so we got the battery flashing. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.